top 6 superfoods to help stop proteinuria and heal your kidneys. Welcome to today's video, where we're going to talk about something very important, your kidneys. More specifically, we'll be diving into the topic of proteinuria, which is the presence of excess protein in your urine. Proteinuria can be a serious issue because it's often a sign that your kidneys are not functioning as they should. But the good news is, with the right approach, especially through diet, you can take steps to help stop proteinuria and support your kidney health. Kidneys are the body's natural filters. Their primary role is to remove waste and excess fluids from the blood to produce urine. But when the kidneys aren't working properly, protein, especially a type called albumin, can leak into the urine. This is what's known as proteinuria, and if left untreated, it can lead to kidney damage over time. In this video, we'll walk you through 6 superfoods that can help stop or reduce proteinuria and support kidney health. These foods are backed by science, and they have properties that protect, repair, and nourish the kidneys. So, stay with us, and let's get started on the journey to better kidney health through the power of nutrition. Before we dive into the superfoods, it's important to understand how diet plays a vital role in supporting kidney health. The foods we eat can either help or harm our kidneys. When your kidneys are damaged, it's often because they've been working overtime to filter out waste products that come from our diet. An unhealthy diet, especially one that's high in salt, sugar, and unhealthy fats, puts a huge strain on the kidneys. Over time, this strain can lead to conditions like high blood pressure, diabetes, and chronic kidney disease. But here's the good news. The right foods can help your kidneys recover and function better. Superfoods are nutrient-rich foods that can give your kidneys the support they need. They are loaded with antioxidants, vitamins, minerals, and anti-inflammatory compounds that can reduce the burden on your kidneys and even help repair damage. In particular, a diet rich in anti-inflammatory and kidney-supportive nutrients can help reduce proteinuria. By incorporating specific foods into your daily routine, you can protect your kidneys from further damage and improve their overall function. With that in mind, let's jump into our list of the top 6 superfoods that can help you manage proteinuria and promote kidney health. Superfood number 1. Blueberries. Let's start with one of the best-known superfoods, blueberries. These small, vibrant fruits are packed with antioxidants, particularly vitamin C and flavonoids, which play a huge role in protecting your kidneys. When it comes to kidney health, one of the biggest threats is oxidative stress, a process where harmful molecules called free radicals cause damage to cells, including those in your kidneys. Blueberries, thanks to their rich antioxidant content, can help neutralize these free radicals and protect kidney cells from damage. Blueberries also have anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation in the kidneys can worsen proteinuria, and by reducing inflammation, blueberries help lower the risk of kidney damage. They are also a low-calorie food, making them a healthy choice for those who are managing their weight or have diabetes, which is a major cause of kidney disease. Incorporating blueberries into your diet is easy. You can add them to smoothies, sprinkle them over your breakfast cereal, or simply eat them as a snack. They're delicious, versatile, and readily available. Aim to eat a handful of blueberries several times a week to give your kidneys a powerful antioxidant boost. Superfood number 2, fatty fish. Next on our list is fatty fish, such as salmon, mackerel, sardines, and herring. These types of fish are incredibly rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are known for their anti-inflammatory properties. Omega-3s are essential fats, meaning our body can't produce them on its own, so we must get them from our diet. These healthy fats have been shown to help reduce inflammation throughout the body, including in the kidneys. When your kidneys are inflamed, they become less efficient at filtering out waste and protein, which can worsen proteinuria. Omega-3s help to reduce inflammation, improve blood flow to the kidneys, and protect kidney cells from further damage. In fact, several studies have found that diets high in omega-3s can help reduce proteinuria and slow the progression of kidney disease. Fatty fish are also an excellent source of high-quality protein, which is important for maintaining muscle mass, especially if you are dealing with kidney disease and have restrictions on your protein intake. However, it's important to choose low-mercury fish and avoid fish that are high in toxins. To incorporate fatty fish into your diet, try to eat fish at least twice a week. You can grill it, bake it, or even make fish tacos for a fun and healthy meal. If you don't like fish, you can also take omega-3 supplements, but be sure to consult your healthcare provider before starting any supplement. Superfood number 3, leafy greens. Moving on to another powerhouse, leafy greens. Vegetables like spinach, kale, Swiss chard, and collard greens are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support overall health, including kidney health. They are high in nutrients like vitamin K, vitamin C, iron, and calcium, which are important for maintaining healthy kidneys. One of the ways leafy greens support kidney health is through their alkaline-forming properties. Many people consume diets that are high in acidic foods, which can put a strain on the kidneys. Leafy greens help to neutralize acidity in the body, reducing the burden on the kidneys and promoting better kidney function. Additionally, leafy greens contain fiber, which is crucial for keeping your digestive system healthy and reducing the workload on your kidneys by aiding in waste elimination. Some leafy greens are also low in potassium, which makes them safe for people with kidney disease. Spinach and kale, for example, are packed with nutrients but contain moderate potassium levels, making them suitable for people with kidney issues, especially when consumed in the right portions. Incorporating leafy greens into your diet can be simple. You can add them to salads, blend them into smoothies, or sauté them with garlic and olive oil as a side dish. Aim to have leafy greens at least a few times per week to give your kidneys the support they need. Superfood number 4, garlic. Next on our list is garlic, a food known for its powerful health benefits. Garlic contains allicin, a compound that has been shown to have anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and antimicrobial properties. For those with kidney issues, these properties make garlic an excellent addition to their diet. One of the key ways garlic supports kidney health is by helping to reduce blood pressure. High blood pressure is a leading cause of kidney damage and proteinuria, and by helping to lower blood pressure, garlic can protect the kidneys from further harm. Studies have also shown that garlic can help reduce protein leakage in the urine, making it a powerful tool in the fight against proteinuria. Garlic is also known to boost the immune system, which is particularly important for people with chronic kidney disease, as they are often at higher risk of infections. The antimicrobial properties of garlic can help protect the urinary tract from infections, which can reduce strain on the kidneys. Adding garlic to your meals is easy. You can chop or crush fresh garlic and add it to soups, stews, sauces, and stir-fries. If you're not a fan of the taste, garlic supplements are available, but as always, consult your healthcare provider before taking any supplements. Superfood number 5, apples. Another kidney-friendly superfood is the apple. Apples are high in fiber and antioxidants, but they are also low in potassium, which makes them an excellent choice for people with kidney disease. The fiber in apples helps to reduce cholesterol levels, which is important because high cholesterol can contribute to kidney damage over time. Apples also contain a type of fiber called pectin, which can help regulate blood sugar levels and reduce the risk of diabetes. Diabetes is one of the leading causes of kidney disease, so keeping blood sugar in check is crucial for preventing kidney damage and managing proteinuria. Apples also help detoxify the kidneys by aiding in the removal of waste and excess water from the body. Incorporating apples into your diet is easy. You can eat them raw as a snack, add them to salads, or bake them into healthy desserts. Apples are a versatile fruit, and their low potassium content makes them a safe choice for people with kidney problems. Superfood number 6. Cranberries. Last but not least, let's talk about cranberries. While cranberries are well known for supporting urinary tract health, they also offer significant benefits for the kidneys. Cranberries contain compounds called proanthocyanidins, which prevent bacteria from sticking to the walls of the urinary tract. This helps to prevent urinary tract infections, UTIs, which are a common cause of kidney infections and can lead to kidney damage if left untreated. In addition to their impressive ability to help prevent urinary tract infections, cranberries also offer several other benefits that make them an excellent choice for kidney health. These small, tart berries are high in antioxidants, particularly vitamin C and other phytochemicals, which can help reduce inflammation throughout the body, including in the kidneys. Chronic inflammation is a common issue for individuals with kidney disease, so consuming anti-inflammatory foods like cranberries can be very beneficial. Cranberries can also aid in detoxifying the body. They help remove waste products from the bloodstream, which can lighten the load on your kidneys. When your kidneys have to work less to filter toxins, they can function more efficiently, which is crucial for individuals experiencing proteinuria. You can enjoy cranberries in various forms, but it's essential to choose the right products. Fresh cranberries can be added to salads or used in smoothies. If you prefer juice, opt for 100% unsweetened cranberry juice to avoid the added sugars often found in commercial juices. Dried cranberries can be a tasty snack or added to oatmeal. But again, be mindful of sugar content, as many brands add sweeteners. For those who enjoy cooking, consider using cranberries in your recipes. They can be incorporated into sauces, dressings, or even baked goods. By making cranberries a regular part of your diet, you'll not only enjoy their delicious tart flavor, but also provide your kidneys with valuable nutrients that support their health. While we've focused on our top 6 superfoods, there are a few honorable mentions that also contribute to kidney health. These foods can complement your diet and offer additional benefits. Avocados, rich in healthy fats and low in potassium compared to many other fruits, avocados are an excellent choice for kidney health. They contain vitamins E and C, which help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress. Nuts and seeds, almonds, walnuts, and chia seeds are packed with protein, healthy fats, and antioxidants. They can provide energy and help you feel full, making them great snacks for those managing kidney health. Be cautious with portion sizes, as they can be calorie-dense. Beets. Beets are rich in nitrates, which can help lower blood pressure and improve blood flow. They also contain antioxidants that can protect your kidneys from damage. Cauliflower. This cruciferous vegetable is low in potassium and a great source of vitamin C and K. It can be eaten raw, steamed, or added to soups and stews. Sweet potatoes. While they contain more potassium, sweet potatoes are a good source of beta-carotene and fiber. When consumed in moderation, they can be a healthy carbohydrate option. In addition to adding superfoods to your diet, Here are some additional tips for maintaining kidney health. Stay hydrated. Drinking enough water is crucial for kidney function. Proper hydration helps the kidneys flush out toxins and reduces the risk of kidney stones. Aim to drink at least 8 cups of water a day. If you have specific restrictions due to kidney disease, consult with your healthcare provider to determine the right amount for you. Monitor sodium intake. High sodium levels can raise blood pressure and worsen kidney function. Aim to limit your sodium intake to less than 2,300 milligrams per day. This can involve cutting back on processed foods, restaurant meals, and adding less salt to your cooking. Limit sugar and processed foods. High sugar intake can lead to obesity, diabetes, and high blood pressure, all of which can negatively impact kidney health. Focus on whole, unprocessed foods that provide essential nutrients without excessive sugars and additives. Practice portion control. For those with existing kidney issues, it's essential to monitor your portion sizes, especially with foods high in potassium and phosphorus. Discuss your dietary needs with a nutritionist or healthcare provider who specializes in kidney health. Stay active. Regular physical activity helps maintain a healthy weight, reduces blood pressure, and improves overall health. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate exercise each week, such as walking, swimming, or biking. Manage stress. Chronic stress can contribute to high blood pressure and overall poor health. Incorporate stress-reducing activities into your routine, such as yoga, meditation, or spending time in nature. Regular checkups. If you have risk factors for kidney disease, such as diabetes or high blood pressure, regular checkups with your healthcare provider are crucial. Monitoring your kidney function can help catch any issues early on. Educate yourself. Stay informed about kidney health and nutrition. Knowledge is power, and understanding your body can help you make better choices. In conclusion, we've explored the remarkable benefits of 6 superfoods: blueberries, fatty fish, leafy greens, garlic, apples, and cranberries that can help stop proteinuria and promote kidney health. By incorporating these nutrient-rich foods into your diet, you can support your kidneys and take proactive steps toward better health. Remember, it's important to make small, sustainable changes rather than trying to overhaul your entire diet at once. Even simple adjustments can lead to significant improvements over time. As you incorporate these superfoods, keep an eye on your overall lifestyle. Staying hydrated, managing stress, and staying active are equally important components of kidney health. If you found this video informative, please take a moment to like and subscribe to our channel for more health-related content. Share this video with anyone who may benefit from it, and leave a comment below if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to explore in future videos. Thank you for joining us today, and remember to take care of your kidneys. With the right nutrition and lifestyle choices, you can support your kidney health and enhance your overall well-being. Until next time, take care.